Did you know the shortage of cybersecurity professionals continue to be a significant challenge globally? ISC Square studied the cybersecurity workforce, and the report shows the huge gap in the cybersecurity workforce. The gap calculates the difference between the number of cybersecurity professionals that organizations require to properly secure themselves and the number of current cybersecurity professionals. The active cybersecurity workforce in 2024 is 5.5 million, while 4.8 million positions remain unfilled. In 2025, a lack of skilled professionals will challenge organizations in effectively manage cybersecurity. Hence, there is an urgent need to expand cyber workforce opportunities and focus on skills development. Cyber threats are constantly evolving, and by 2025, we expect to see more sophisticated attacks from AI-driven malware to quantum computing threats. The landscape is changing fast by various factors, including technological advancements, evolving threat tactics, regulatory changes, and the growing importance of data privacy and security. This is a great opportunity for people who are interested in cybersecurity to develop skills and get their dream job. So, how to prepare for cybersecurity in 2025? Which skills should you learn to land a cybersecurity job in 2025? Stick around as we will reveal the critical skills shortage areas. ISC Square and LinkedIn Economic Research Institute study reveals the high demand on 6 cybersecurity technical skills. If you learn or improve your skills in those areas, you will undoubtedly land a job. Number 6 in the list is penetration testing. Penetration testing or Pentesting is a security exercise where a cybersecurity expert attempts to find and exploit vulnerabilities in a computer system. This can stop attacks before they start, as organizations can fix these vulnerabilities once they have been identified. I recommend you to take Ethical Hacker course from Skills for All. It's a free self-paced course with 34 labs to learn and practice your pentesting skills. Number 5 in the list is application security. Application security is the process of developing, adding, and testing security features within applications to prevent security vulnerabilities against threats such as unauthorized access and modification. I suggest free training from Portswigger that helps you build and improve your application and web security skills. Number 4 in the list is incident response. Incident response refers to an organization's process and technologies for detecting and responding to cyber threats, cybersecurity breaches, and cyber attacks. I suggest a cyber threat management course by Skill for All to improve your practical skills. Number 3 in the list is Zero Trust implementation. This is the implementation of the security model based on the principle of maintaining a strict access control and not trusting anyone by default, even those already inside the network perimeter. The 3 principles of Zero Trust are always verify, least privilege access, and risk mitigation. I suggest the Introduction to Zero Trust course by Linux Foundation, which is free and includes hands-on practices with open source tools. Number 2 in the list is cloud security. Cloud security is a collection of security measures designed to protect cloud-based infrastructure, applications, and data. These measures ensure user and device authentication, data and resource access control, and data privacy protection. I suggest you start with Fundamentals of Cloud Security by Palo Alto Academy. Then move to some advanced courses delivered by cloud providers such as Microsoft and Google. Finally, number 1 in the list is AI and machine learning. AI and machine learning used for threat detection and response. AI will play a larger role in both offensive and defensive strategies, automating threat detection and responses. As AI-powered tools are now being used in various aspects of cybersecurity, from threat and anomaly detection to risk assessment and compliance monitoring with remarkable accuracy, there is a huge demand for skilled cybersecurity professionals in this area. I suggest a Skilled in Artificial Intelligence and Cybersecurity course by IBM training program. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more cybersecurity content.